Okay, so really quick, I'm going to show you how to create some graphics here on Canva.com. This is something that is free. I do have the pro version, but obviously you could get this for free. And a lot of editing softwares don't give you that ability when you're new, when you haven't paid for something that gives you more capability. So if you want to put some cool lower thirds and things like that, this may be a choice for some of you guys. So it's going to be pretty simple. You're going to come here to Canva.com, and then you're going to come right here to the right, create design, and you're going to do a custom site, right? Again, this is going to be for YouTube, so it's going to be 1920 by 1080, right? Then you're going to click create new design. It's going to bring you this right here. And this is interesting because in the left, you have multiple different things. You have different elements. If you want to put different things in the background, you have text, which is kind of what we're going to use right now. You have upload, if you want to upload specific pictures and things like that. You also have different applications. And again, Canva is something that I use for thumbnails, but it's really, really simple to use. So again, we're gonna go to text, and here you got different ones that you could pick. As you can see right here, again, depends on the version that you have is what you could use. Like this one right here, you have to have the pro one. But again, lots of different things, right? So let's say, for example, I want to say something like thank you. This is one right there, right? So it says thank you here, and maybe you want to say thanks for watching or something like that, but you want to do something like this that said thank you. You could just simply put it here and download this, and I'm going to show you how to do that, but you could do other ones as well. And I'm going to do two just to give you an idea. You can come to the right there to the plus sign and create another one. And I'm going to do this one right here. It says, don't forget to subscribe, because a lot of people use this. Now this is going to be page 2. So I'm going to go ahead and click share. I'm going to come down here to download, and I'm going to do page 2 right there. I want to do it individually. I want to make sure that I click here, transparent background. And let me put the mark right there. And then I'm going to click download. And that is downloading. Very, very simple. Then I'm going to do to the one in the top that I want to do as well, the thank you. And I'm going to go ahead and click download as well. I'm going to do page 1 because obviously that's page 1. Transparent background. Don't forget to click that right there. And I'm going to download that. Okay, right here, I'm in Final Pro Cut. And I'll tell you, this program is very, very good. Obviously, it does have a lot of capabilities. And most likely, if you have a program like this, you don't have to do what I just did. But let's pretend you have something like iMovies or something like that where you don't have all those different lower thirds. In that case, maybe you want to use something like this. But this is a video that I've been working on, right? And I'm just going to come up here and click import. And I just put them right here, as you can see this too right there, right? And again, obviously, you're going to have to locate it wherever you place those files. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of put them on top of this just to see how it looks. I'm going to put it up here just to give you an idea. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Just like that. Obviously, it's right there in the middle. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to come up here and kind of move it out of the way. You can kind of see this right there, right? So I'm going to put it right there. I kind of make it smaller if I want to. I actually could give it a kind of like a cool transition or something like that, so it could kind of come in. So let's go ahead and kind of listen to how that goes. And there you have it, guys. Very, very simple. You can see how that looks. In this case right here, as I move to the full screen, I could actually put it up here, and let's do this a little bit better right there. And I'm going to move it right here. All right, let's see how that looks right now. That's simple. That's very simple. Let me use the other one just because I want to show you, how it looks and all that. So let me put the other one right here just to give you an idea. Again, be very, very creative. This is not just the way to do it, but I'm kind of showing you some ideas. You could come out with your own decision, right? So I'm going to put it right there just to see how it looks. I'm going to make it a little smaller. And again, you're going to see it how insert right there. So again, there you have it. That's just a little bit of example. Obviously, I think you didn't really match in that particular moment, but it's just to give you an idea how you could go into Canva, create a couple different designs, then download those designs, upload it to your editing software, and then you can make a better quality video because you have all those lower thirds. Again, once you make them, you could use them all the time. Appreciate you guys watching.